Hi everyone, Catherine Grill here. I'm the CEO and one of the founders of Neolth. And today I'm going to be walking you through Neolth's educator platform for teachers and what are some of the more beginner audio practices that you can do in the classroom to help your students improve their mental health. So I'm going to share my screen and I'll walk you through it. So I'm on Neolth's educator platform. I logged in from any device on cloud.neolth.com, and then I went into the practice library. In another video, I show you how to use the search and filter features to find different practices. But today I'm going to focus on two different types of beginner audio practices that are great with any student: breathwork and guided imagery. So first, let's start with breathwork. Just click on the filter and you'll see all the different practices for that type come up in your library. You can see the name of the practice. You can see how long each practice is, so you can get a sense of, when to fit it into your classroom lesson plan. And when you find one you like, you can click into it, see a little description about the practice, and if you want, go to the full practice. All of our breathwork practices are audio form, which are great. That means you can listen to it anytime on demand. Your students have 24/7 access through their Neolth app, so they can listen to this at home, nights and weekends. All you need to do is click play. You can also rewind or fast forward a couple seconds if you want to. And you can see which doctor or therapist made that practice. This one is called natural breath observation. This is really great for beginners, especially if they've never done breathing exercises before, because it's literally just having them pay attention to their breath, notice the natural rhythm of their breath without trying to change anything. So this can be great for students of all ages, just to start to build awareness of their breath, because their pattern of breathing, as you might know, is very related to their emotional health and their stress. There are a lot of other breathing exercises. Some of them are going to be more about changing the pattern of the breath. Box breathing, for example, you might have heard of this. This is around tracing the different sides of a box, inhaling and exhaling. The diagram here shows 2 seconds each. And just a disclaimer for any of these breathing exercises, sometimes they're counting in and out, a certain amount of seconds inhale, certain amount of seconds exhale. You can always change that to what feels comfortable for you and your students. So don't feel like you have to really hold your breath for a long time. If it feels uncomfortable, start small and work your way up. The main thing is that you're just working on paying attention to your breath. You're doing deep breathing, and that can really help with relaxation. So all these exercises can be great for kids of all age and really quickly can help with relaxation, especially in moments of overwhelm. Besides the breathwork activities, guided imagery, this can be great for students of all ages. These are really about visualizing different scenarios to help reduce stress and improve relaxation. You'll notice that a lot of them are nature-based. We do things like waterfall, waves, light of the stars, sun rays is popular, light of the rainbow. So again, can be great with kids of all ages, especially if nature is something that they enjoy. And it's really about visualizing this safe space in your mind. So these activities will walk you through. Imagine you're in this location, here's what it looks like, and just starting to build up a sense of relaxation. They're all guided. When you click into it, again, you can see who created that practice. You can see the audio guide. You can listen to it here by hitting play. It's available 24/7 on demand. If you really like a practice, you can hit favorite. And then when you're in your practice library, to find that more quickly next time, just go to your favorites and you'll see that show up. So again, the breathing exercises, the guided imagery exercises, those are audio guided practices made by doctors or therapists. They can be really great for students of all ages. They help with just kind of creating a safe space and visualizing relaxation or engaging in deep breathing to get some relaxation. You can even do this yourself between different classroom periods or when you're on a break, even if you just have 2 minutes or 5 minutes. This can be a great way to improve your mental health. So we hope you enjoy these practices and that you use them in the classroom with your students. See you next time.